Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all you digital creators, AI art enthusiasts, and well, basically anyone who's ever dreamt of creating jaw-dropping visuals without the hassle of expensive hardware. Now, I know, trust me, the struggle is real. GPU shortages, complicated setups, and sky-high hardware costs. But what if I told you that there's a way to bypass all of that? Enter Cephalon Cloud, your new best friend for AI content creation. Now, trust me, by the end of this video, you are definitely going to be wondering how you have ever lived without it. So we are going to be diving into everything you need to know regarding this project, all the different tools and all the different benefits that you can actually get out of it. And I'm sure that you guys are definitely going to be thanking me later down in the comments below. But before we get into all those details and interesting things that you can know about this project, a quick disclaimer, we are not in any way affiliated with any of the projects that we review on our channel, so definitely make sure to do your own due diligence, and also don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions at the very end of the video. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, diving into what makes Cephalon Cloud a must-have for you. So imagine having the power of a high-end GPU at your fingertips without actually owning one. Yes, you heard that right. Cephalon Cloud gives you plug-and-play access to ComfyUI and WebUI all in the cloud. No setup needed. It comes preloaded with SDXL, Flux, and so much more. You can run complex workflows, generate images, or create ad creatives all with just a few clicks. And the best part, it's super affordable. You can get to use cloud GPU power at a fraction of the cost of other services like AWS or RunPod. No upfront hardware expenses, just a simple pay-as-you-go model. Absolutely brilliant. So let's jump into a quick product walkthrough. Now, imagine you're logging in for the first time. So you simply sign up or you log in, access ComfyUI or WebUI, load your desired workflow, and voila, you're ready to generate stunning images. Whether you're a solo YouTuber working on thumbnails, an Etsy seller in need of product images, or simply a marketing professional crafting ad creatives, Cephalon Cloud has you covered. You have nothing to worry about. And the best part regarding all of that is there's no coding or installation needed. It's designed for absolutely everyone, even if you've never touched a line of code in your life. So basically, doesn't really matter how much you're involved you are in all of this. These guys are definitely the place for you to find out, figure out, or even advance in these fields as long as you go. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about speed and quality? Well, buckle up because Cephalon Cloud delivers on both fronts. You can generate a variety of images from rich art pieces to professional looking thumbnails and product ads, all in a matter of minutes. The rendering speed is impressive and the image quality is top notch. If you were to compare this with local rendering, you'd realize how much of a time and cost advantage you're actually getting. So let's talk numbers for a second. Cephalon Cloud is not just about flexibility. It's about value. It's far more affordable than investing in a GPU or using other cloud services. The pay-as-you-go model means you only pay for what you use, obviously, which is a massive bonus for budget-conscious creators. And plus, there's no upfront investment. It's like having a massive GPU store at your disposal without the actual commitment. All right, so you let me know what's the verdict. The pros definitely outweigh the cons, and you get immediate access to powerful tools, high quality results, and easy to use platform, all without the need for expensive hardware. The only downside, you might find yourself spending hours just playing around with all the creative possibilities. So, are you ready to take your AI content creation to the next level? Definitely make sure to click the link down below to try Cephalon Cloud for free. Start generating amazing AI content today without needing a local GPU. And hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this? Hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And having said that, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video.